Eddie and I were just talking, and we thought, well, we got to have a special drink for Memorial Day, right, Eddie?
That's right.
What you thinking about? What you thinking?
Well, usually when you're on vacation, you want something with an umbrella.
I sure do. To protect me from that heat in the sun. You got some umbrellas?
This is probably more your. I've got a flag. How about that?
Okay.
This is probably more your type of.
Oh, it could be
drink.
like a sissy drink, kind of like.
Yeah, this has a little more. No, but I mean, it's a little more than what I would use.
Yeah, well, some women like fruitier.
Yeah.
You know, don't care for the liquor taste.
This just screams, like vacation time.
Yes, it does. Orange juice?
Tangerine? So anyways, we are making an Oceanside Sipper.
Well, we need to be sitting by the ocean side.
That's right, or we can, the creek side. We're going to call this the creek side Sipper.
Yeah. We can go out and watch the dolphins swim by.
So we're gonna, this isn't the exact measurements. I'm gonna make it just for me and you. So anyways,
good.
We're gonna start off with some pineapple juice. We'll go right into the pitcher. This is kind of like one of your dump and stir.
Yeah, the way I like to cook.
Some orange juice. Everything nice and chilled.
I bet some tangerine juice would be good. You like tangerine juice? Mm-hmm. I do too.
And then, let's see, a little bit of limeade concentrate.
Oh, okay, yeah, the frozen
Yeah.
little container you buy in the freezer, y'all. Just let it thaw and use however much you need. And a little sangria is
some rum, the star attraction.
grenadine, not what is that?
Rum, light rum.
Wow. You'd hate for one of your children to pick that up thinking it was water.
I've never been a big rum person.
Michael loves rum. He loves it.
Okay, and then a little grenadine for. And you know what? If you wanted to make some fun drinks, just for the
May
kids.
I smell that, please?
Leave the rum out.
Yeah. All right, what kind of flavor does the grenadine give it?
I think just a sweet.
Ooh, yeah.
A little bit of a cherry.
Do you need some cherries, or are we not using
No cherries?
That gives it a little bit of tint.
A little bit of color.
Uh-huh. And what is this, club soda or something like that?
That is club soda, and I think what we'll do, we'll just stir this all together. And we'll go on and...
When do you put the club?
I'm gonna
drain mine because
Okay, I just put it in there, so it shouldn't really be.
I don't know. I see some water on the bottom. So let me just drain it. See? It doesn't take long in the summertime. You didn't want yours drained.
It's all the same.
Okay. It looks delicious and refreshing.
And then we're gonna just top it off.
Okay. Oh, okay.
If you're making a pitcher, go on and just hold out the club soda. And like when we have our parties here, I always hold it, the ginger ale
and
or something.
Let the girls add their own.
Yeah, well, it will keep the fizz a little bit longer, and it's just a little fresher.
Well, that makes sense.
And then
this is like a carbonated soda or something like that, isn't it?
We can go in and add a little garnish.
Mm-hmm.
A little decoration.
Oh, yay. Very patriotic. Because it's Memorial Day.
And cheers.
Bon appetit and cheers.
Let's go find the creek.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's go. Happy Memorial Day, y'all. Come on, let's go, Eddie. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.